Hi everyone, my name is Vrishika Palit. Today I'll be explaining you the chapter Crop Production and Management from this Class 8 Science and CERT textbook. So let's begin. We all know that food is important for living organisms. All aspects of a living organism depends on food. In this chapter, we'll be seeing how crop is produced and how it is stored. So let's begin. First, let us see the three types of crops which are grown in different seasons in India. These three crops are Kharif crops, Rabi crops, and Zaid crops. First, we will be starting with Kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown in the monsoon season. They have a high water requirement. The season of monsoon in India lies from July to October. Examples of kharif crops are rice, maize, jaw, bajra, soybean, cotton, etc. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are the crops which are grown in the winter season. Winter season in India lasts from October to February. Crops which are grown in winter season are wheat, barley, gram, peas, mustard, etc. Zaid crops are the crops which are grown in the summer season. Summer season in India lasts from March to June. Examples of Zaid crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops. Now, let us see the different types of method involved in the production of grains and its storage and management. The first step is preparation of soil. It includes the plowing of the soil and tilling it. Sowing seeds. Sowing seeds is the most important aspect of farming. If the seeds are produced are not good, then the crop will not be grown in a proper way. The next step is adding manure and fertilizers. Adding manure and fertilizers makes the crop grow healthy and without any infection or any disease. The next part is irrigation. Irrigation means giving water to the plants in an adequate amount. Weeding. Weeding is done to protect the plants from any unwanted other plants. Harvesting. After weeding is done, in a few months the plants will grow and soon harvesting will be required. In harvesting, you have various methods like winnowing, threshing, handpicking. These three methods are used for separating the unwanted particles from the crop harvested. Then storage. Storage must be done in the proper way to save the crops from insects. Now let us see the different types of farming tools. The first one is plow. Plow is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls. It is used for tilling the soil, for removing the weeds, and for adding fertilizers and manure. The next one is a hoe. A hoe helps in loosening the soil and removing the weeds from the crops. The parts of a hoe are grip, handle, beam, bend plate, and rod. Nowadays, cultivators are used instead of the ancient tools. This helps in plowing the field easily. This saves labor and time too. Sowing seeds. There are two ways to sow seeds. One is the traditional tool and the next one is using a seed drill. The traditional tool is shaped like a funnel. Its end is sharp so that it can pierce the soil through which the seed goes through. But this takes a lot of time to sow the seeds. But the other way, the seed drill saves labor and time, both. It helps sow the seeds at equal distance on the field. The next one is sickle. Sickle is used for harvesting the crops in olden days. Nowadays, a modern harvester is used to harvest the crops. This was explanation of the chapter crop production and management. I hope you all understood the chapter. Thank you.